$200 can become $2,000. $2,000 can become $20,000, but not if you bet like everybody else. Small accounts don't need miracles. They need multiplication. They need leverage. They need timing. And today I'm giving you 3 methods that turn small balances into serious money. 3 methods. Without wasting time, let's go. Select 3 strong selections. Combine them into 4.002, 6.00 total odds. Stake between 20 to 30% strategically. If $60 hits at 5.00, that's equals to $300. Now you're at $440 total. Repeat once or twice per week. 1 clean multiplier per week can outgrow 20 random bets. That's method 1. Method 2, $200 account. You split into 4 rotations. $52, 2.00 odds. Win equals $100. Take $70 forward. Reset $30 aside. Now $70 to 2.00 odds. Win equals $140. Take $100 forward. After 3 to 4 clean rotations, the account doubles without needing high odds. The last method, pay attention. The biggest money isn't before the game. It's during live betting value spikes. Strong team concedes early odds jump from 1.80 to 3.20. You enter at inflated odds. That 3.20 becomes 1.60 in 15 minutes. One correctly timed live entry can 3 times a position in under 90 minutes. Small money doesn't grow by wishing. It grows by multiplying, by rotating, by striking at spikes. Those are the 3 methods. One goal, turning small money into serious money. This is Betting Breakthrough, smart bets only. Try to listen and understand everything I've said, so you could be able to choose a method that works for you. Class dismissed.